Hello everyone, this is our 15th video under the GCSE topic revision guide called Changing Subject. Sometimes this is called as rearranging formulas. Let's look at some exam style question. If you like to download this tutorial we are going to discuss in this video, you can download it from our website at www.smarttutor.co.uk/worksheet.php. Let's look at the question number 1. The fraction P of an adult's dose of medicine which should be given to a child who weighs W kilogram is given by the formula. So the P is the adult's dosage, W is child's. Use the formula to find the weight of the child whose dose is the same as an adult's dose. So basically we need to rearrange the formula in a way to make the W as a subject. So write the formula first. P equal 3W plus 20 over 200. So I'm going to do the cross multiplication. So P over 1. So when we cross multiply, P times 200 is 200P equal 3W plus 20. So 200P minus 20 equal 3W. So you can make the W on its own by dividing both sides by 3. So you get the answer W equal 200P minus 20 divided by 3. So that is the answer. You don't need to factorize. So 200P minus 20 over 3 kilogram. So that is the answer for W. Question number 2. Given the C is positive, so C is positive here, make C the subject of this equation. Let's work out here. So A equal square root of 1 minus B squared over C squared. I'm going to square both sides. So I'll get A squared here, 1 minus B squared over C squared. So the question here is C squared. So this is the term. So I'm going to take this term the other side. So that becomes B squared over C squared equal 1 minus A squared. So I'm going to do the cross multiply and say B squared. When you're doing the cross multiply, 1 minus A squared over 1. So B squared equal C squared 1 minus A squared. So from this we can make the C squared as a subject by dividing B squared by 1 minus A squared. So C equal, if you take square root both sides, plus or minus square root of B squared over 1 minus A squared. So in the question they have given C is a positive, so we don't want to be considered the negative. So square root of B squared is B over square root of 1 minus A squared. So C equal B over square root of 1 minus A squared. That is the final answer for question number 2. Question number 3. Make E the subject of K square root of 5m plus 2e over 3e. The square root is in the question. So we need to get rid of the square root by squaring both sides. So if you square K is K squared equal 5m plus 2e over 3e. K squared over 1. So if you cross multiply, K squared 3e equal 5m plus 2e. So the subject is E. So E is in two places. I'm going to bring it to one side. So 3k squared E minus 2e equal 5m. So I'm going to factorize. If the letter in two or more places, you need to factorize and make it in one place. So 3k squared minus 2 equal 5m. So from here, so you can make E as a subject, E equal 5m over 3k squared minus 2. Question number 4. Make R the subject of the formula P equal 2r plus 5 over r minus 3. So P equal 2r plus 5 over r minus 3. So P over 1 cross multiply. So PR minus 3P equal 2r plus 5. So you need to bring the r to one side. So PR minus 2r equal 3p plus 5. So take the r as a factor. So p minus 2 equal 3p plus 5. So r equal 3p plus 5 over p minus 2. So that is the answer for the question number 4. Question number 5. Make W as a subject. So all you need to do is cross multiply. P equal W minus 3 over 2. So cross multiply. So 2P equal W minus 3. So W equal 2P plus 3. Question number 6. Make A the subject of this formula. So 1 upon F equal 2 upon A plus 1 upon 5. So what we are going to do is A the subject. So I don't want the 1 upon 5 this side. So I'm going to bring it here. So 1 upon F minus 1 upon 5 equal 2 upon A. So I'm going to take the 5f as the multiple here, 5f. So 5 is going to multiply the 1, so 5 minus f is going to be multiply the 1, so it's same as the cross multiply. So it's a butterfly method. 5 times 1 is 5, f times 1 is f, 5 times f is 5f equal 2 upon A. So if I cross multiply now, the A is going to be multiplied by 5 minus f equal 2 is going to multiply the 5f is 10f. So A as a subject is going to be 10f divided by 5 minus f. That is the answer for the question number 6. Question number 7. T equal square root of L over 3. So I'm going to square both sides. So that becomes T squared equal L over 3. So T squared over 1. If I cross multiply, L times 1 is L equal 3T squared. That is the final answer for question number 7. Question number 8. M squared equal W squared minus 5. Make W as a subject. So bring the minus 5 this side. So M squared plus 5 equal W squared. So W is going to be, careful when you're taking the plus square root both sides, you need to put plus or minus M squared plus 5. So W equal plus or minus square root of M squared plus 5. Make V as a subject. So 1 upon F minus 1 upon U equal 1 upon V. So if U times 1 is U minus F times 1 is F, UF at the denominator. So 1 upon V is here. So if we are going to multiply, cross multiply, V times U minus F, UF times 1 is UF. So F is going to be UF u minus f. So that is the subject for v. Question number 9 answer is v equal uf over u minus f. Sometimes I may say this one, this is like a easy to remember, u minus f over uf equal 1 upon v means you can flip the fraction both side. If you flip the fraction both side, this becomes uf over u minus f, and this become 1 over v becomes v over 1. So that is the answer, v equal uf over u minus f. Question number 10. T equal 2 pi square root of L over G. Here careful, square root is there, you need to square both sides, that becomes t squared. Here everybody can make a careless mistake. The 2 pi is going to be get squared. So 2 squared is 4 pi squared. And here L over G is going to come because the square root is gone. Cross multiply, so gt squared equal 4 pi squared L. Now L as a subject, so L is going to be gt squared over 4 pi squared. That is the answer for question number 10. Question number 11, again square root is there, so square both sides, so y squared equal 2x plus 1 over x minus 1, y squared over 1. Cross multiply, so y squared x minus y squared equal 2x plus 1. So bring the x to one side because x is going to be the subject, so y squared x minus 2x equal minus y squared, the other side is y squared plus 1. So here if I take the x as a factor out, y squared minus 2 equal y squared plus 1. So x equal y squared plus 1 over y squared minus 2. So that is the answer for x. Question number 12, make the p as a subject, so y equal 3p squared minus 4. So bring the minus for the side, so y plus 4 equal 3p squared. Divide by 3, so y plus 4 divide by 3 equal p squared. So p equal, there's no restriction saying p is positive, so you have to put plus or minus square root of y plus 4 over 3. Question number 13, let me do it here. 2t equals square root of 5l over 3. So make L as a subject, so you need to square both sides, so this becomes 4t squared. So careful, 2 squared is 4, t squared is t squared equal 5l over 3. So here you can write 1, cross multiply, so 5l equal 12t squared. So L as a subject, 12t squared over 5. That is our final answer for question number 13. Question number 14, make R the subject of 5r plus 1 a bracket m plus r. So expand the bracket and see where is the r term. So am plus ar, and bring the other side, so 5r minus ar equal am minus 1. So r 5 minus a equal am minus 1. So r equal am minus 1 over 5 minus a. So that is the answer for r. So r equal am minus 1 over 5 minus a. Question number 15, 3x plus 1, expand the bracket, gx and plus g times 3 is 3g, always number first then letter. X as a subject, so bring the x to one side, so 3x minus gx equal 3g minus 1. So take the x out, so 3 minus g equal 3g minus 1. So x as a subject, 3g minus 1 over 3 minus g. That is the answer for question number 15. Question number 16, m equal w cube minus 2, w as a subject, so m plus 2 equal w cube, so w equal cube root of m plus 2, so the answer is w equal cube root of m plus 2. Question number 17, 3 over f, 5 over u plus 2 over v. V as a subject, so you bring the u to other side, so 3 over f minus 5 over u equal 2 over v. So we'll do the butterfly method. 3 times u is 3u, so the butterfly method means you multiply 3 with u and you multiply 5 with f and you multiply the u and f at the bottom. That is the butterfly method. So 3 times u is 3u minus 5f over fu or uf, it doesn't matter, equal 2 over v. So I'm going to flip the other way around. So fu over 3u minus 5f equal v over 2. So cross multiply, the 2 is going to be multiplied here, so v equal 2uf over 3u minus 5f. Question number 18, make g the subject of the formula, so t equal 2 pi square root of L over G. So now this time they ask the G as a subject, so square both sides, so T squared 4 pi squared times L over G, cross multiply GT squared equal 4 pi squared L. So G as a subject, so G equal 4 pi squared L over T squared. That is the final answer for G. I think that is the end of the video. I hope you like the video. If you do like the video, please give us a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel to watch the remaining upcoming videos. And if you like to download this tutorial from our website, please access our website at www.smart-tutors.co.uk/worksheets.php. Under the 11, you can download this tutorial. Thank you very much.